I am so glad you're here because I've had questions about this, and I have to tell you more about this free workshop that was actually the start of an explosion of growth within my creative business starting in 2020 and has just continued on and on. If you don't know me yet, I'm Chris, a watercolor artist, creative teacher, designer, and desert dweller behind the brand Octopus Connection. And I'm super excited that Bonnie Christine is doing this free workshop again this year because she gives so much value in her free trainings that it's almost crazy. I have learned so much from her free content, and not only will there be 4 lessons in this workshop, but she's also doing Q&As after each lesson. That means you can get your questions answered, plus hear the answers to questions you may not have even realized you had yet. So tens of thousands of artistic people come from all over the world to watch. It's like a giant collective and a big party, and Bonnie's community is so kind and so sweet and so fun to be around. Plus, Bonnie's giving away a year subscription to Adobe Illustrator, so there'll be some fun giveaway in there in the mix as well. And all you have to do is show up to enjoy the lessons. I'll be there in there too watching, so I'm going to see you inside. If you have any more questions, just go ahead and ask me in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. Just click the link and I cannot wait to see you in there. It's going to be a blast.